In this video, I will show you how to convert a Google Sheet to an Excel file. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, as you can see, I'm here on Google Sheets. I've currently got an example spreadsheet opened, but instead of Google Sheets, I prefer to use Excel. So what I want to do is actually convert this from Google Sheets to an Excel file. To do that from Google Sheets, all you need to do is come up to the top left-hand corner, click onto File, and on this menu that comes up, you want to hover over Download, and in the submenu, you're going to see you can download this as an Excel file. So what you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to download this onto your PC as an Excel file. What you can then do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, type download and open up your downloads folder, and you're going to see your spreadsheet saved as an Excel worksheet. So what you need to do now is just simply give that a double click, and what that's going to do is open this up as an Excel spreadsheet. As you can see, it's now in Excel, it's working absolutely fine, and that is how to convert a Google Sheet to an Excel file. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.